So I'm going to teach you a new technique in this lesson, and it's going to be on the D minor 7th and the C major 7th, but it can be used for really any chords. This is just for simplicity's sake. So I'm going to show you what it sounds like. So this is what it sounds like. So it's like... And you might notice that this is a little bit like the syncopation method. But what we're doing here is we're playing the chord first, and then we're using these top two notes to syncopate with my right hand. So it's not the same as the syncopation that we talked about before, because I'm going to be playing one of like these two notes for every one note in my right hand. So I'm going to be playing like... So it's kind of like these top two fingers are just bouncing here every time I play a note in my right hand. So it's like... But if you can tell, I'm using this swing feel. So that's why I only started teaching it now, because now that you know the swing feel, you know how to go like da 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 da, rather than playing straight. And so you want to incorporate this swing feel with this, you can call it the syncopation, or I just call it like alternating notes. So I'm alternating my right hand with my left hand. But so I want you to practice this with me. So you take the D minor 7th, play the full chord, so you play on the 1, and then after that you pause for just a tiny little bit. And I only say that because you'll know it when you'll feel it. It'll feel right to you. So you play the chord, and then you go to the next note in your right hand. So you say it's like an F. So I play F, and then I play these two notes, and then I alternate. So if you want to practice this, just alternating with every note in your right hand, like whenever you play a note in your right hand, you're just going to bounce these top two notes in your left hand. And try to make these notes right here come down at the exact same time. So it's like... So that's the basic technique there. So you play the chord. And if you saw there, what I was doing is I play the chord, I pause, then I move my finger to something, I play a note, and then I play these bottom two notes here. So... And then I pause at the end of the beat 4. So I'll go like, so chord, It's really easiest for you to watch this and just do exactly what I'm doing. So I'm going to do this as slow as possible so you can see what I'm doing here. But I'm playing the chord, and then I'm playing a note with my right hand, playing these notes with my left hand, alternating, and then I stop at the end of the bar, or at the 4th beat or the 8th beat, wherever I'm going to change chords, and then I just repeat that whole process again. So I'm going to go chord, right hand note, and the reason why it sounds kind of weird to do this at such a slow tempo, but once you get this up to speed, it's really cool. I use it a lot in my improvisations and my improvising. So I go like... you can hear that little duh 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 duh. It's like a alternating right hand with my left hand, right hand with my left hand. So. And as you add other soloing techniques in there too, I mean, it sounds amazing. So you want to, and I was doing a little bit of a different rhythm there, but you want to focus on this lesson, which was just you play the chord on the 1, and then you play a note with your right hand, and then you alternate with your left hand, and then you pause, and then you go to the next chord. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 2. So I'll just show you one more time. So just try to copy what I was doing there as best as possible. And so you do chord, right hand plays a note, alternate, then you go to the next chord.